Hello dear students, I am Dr. Binoy Arickal, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce, Bhopal School of Social Sciences. The main objective of this module is to introduce you to profitability ratios. In the previous module, we discussed liquidity ratios. As discussed in the previous module, ratio analysis is considered as one of the most powerful tool of financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis helps in judging or assessing the profitability position of the organization, the solvency position of the organization, as well as operational efficiency of the organization by establishing strategic relationship between the items shown in the financial statements. Mere calculation of ratios are not sufficient unless it is followed by analysis and interpretation. Analysis means simplification of financial data through methodological classification. That means the formulas that we are using in ratio analysis, whereas interpretation means to draw conclusions. This means analysis and interpretation are complementary to each other, they are correlated with each other. Profitability ratios can be broadly classified under three heads, that is general profitability ratios, overall profitability ratios, as well as profitability ratios related to investors. In this module, we will be covering the first segment, that is general profitability ratios. Under general profitability ratios, these are the formulas that we will be discussing. The first one is gross profit ratio. The formula for calculating gross profit ratio is gross profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. The second formula is net profit ratio. For computing net profit ratio, the formula is net profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. The third one is operating ratio. For calculating operating ratio, first of all we need to calculate operating cost. Operating cost is equal to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses. Therefore, for calculating operating ratio, our formula will be cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sales multiplied by 100. The fourth formula is net operating profit ratio. The formula for calculating net operating profit ratio is net operating profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. Net operating profit can be calculated with the help of the following formula, that is net profit minus non-operating incomes plus non-operating expenses. Net operating profit ratio can also be calculated with the help of another formula, that is 1 minus operating ratio is equal to net operating profit ratio. The last formula under general profitability ratio is expenses ratio. The formula for calculating expenses ratio will be specific expenses divided by net sales multiplied by 100. This is a brief description of the ratios that was taken up in the previous slide. The first one is gross profit ratio. It indicates the relationship between gross profit and net sales of the organization. A high gross profit ratio is a sign of good management, and it means that the cost of production is relatively lower as comparative to net sales. The second formula was net profit ratio. It indicates the relationship between net profit and net sales of the organization. A high net profit is generally anticipated by all business enterprise. The third one was operating ratio. Operating ratio indicates the relationship between operating cost and net sales. Operating cost can be computed with the help of the following formula, that is cost of goods sold plus operating expenses. Higher operating ratio indicates that operating cost consumes more of sales and there would be less portion left for interest and other expenses. The fourth formula that we have taken up was net operating profit ratio. Net operating profit ratio indicates the relationship between net operating profit and net sales of the organization. A higher net operating profit ratio indicates good operational efficiency of the organization. The last one was specific expense ratio. This ratio establishes the relationship between specific expenses and net sales. This ratio indicates what portion of sales is consumed by the specific expenses of the organization. So, let's understand the calculation of these ratios with the help of an example. From the following information, they are asking us to calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating ratio, net operating profit ratio, administrative expense ratio, as well as selling and distribution ratio. They have given us trading and profit and loss account. If you could see in the debit side, they have given us opening stock, that is rupees 1 lakh, purchases 3,50,000, wages it is 6,000, and in the credit side they have given us sales, that is 5,60,000, and they have given us closing stock, that is 1,20,000. The total of credit is more than the total of debit. That is the reason we have gross profit amounting to 2,24,000. This gross profit will be transferred to the credit side of profit and loss. So, in the credit side of profit and loss, they have given by balance brought down 2,24,000, that is gross profit brought down. In the debit side, they have given us few expenses. If you could see in the debit side, administrative expenses 28,000, selling and distribution expenses is 70,000, non-operating expenses they have given it is 18,000, and in the credit side we have non-operating income amounting to rupees 4,000. Again, the total of credit is more than the total of debit. The total of credit side of profit and loss statement is 2,28,000. So, 2,28,000 we have placed in the opposite side. The difference amount is the net profit, and the amount of net profit they have given it is 1,12,000. Now comes the calculation of these general profitability ratios on the basis of the formulas that we have discussed. The first one is gross profit ratio. As discussed, gross profit ratio is equals to gross profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. So, the amount of gross profit was 2,24,000. The amount of net sales was 5,60,000. So, 2,24,000 divided by 5,60,000 multiplied by 100, percentage is 40. Then comes computation of net profit ratio. The formula for calculating net profit ratio is net profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. The amount of net profit was 1,12,000. The amount of net sales was 5,60,000. So, 1,12,000 divided by 5,60,000 multiplied by 100. So, we have net profit ratio as 20%. Then comes computation of operating ratio. The basic formula of operating ratio is operating cost divided by net sales multiplied by 100, wherein operating cost is equal to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses. So, first of all, we will calculate the amount of cost of goods sold by applying a simple formula, that is net sales minus gross profit. So, in this question they have given us net sales, they have given us gross profit. So, 5,60,000 minus 2,24,000, the amount of cost of goods sold is rupees 3,36,000. Then comes the computation of operating expenses. So, they have given us two operating expenses in the profit and loss statement. One was administrative expenses, the other one was selling and distribution expenses. Administrative expenses was 28,000, selling and distribution expenses was 70,000. So, 28,000 plus 70,000, total operating expenses is 98,000. Now comes the formula. Operating ratio, as we discussed, that is equal to operating cost divided by net sales into 100. So, the amount of operating cost will be 3,36,000 that is the cost of goods sold, 98,000 that is the operating expenses. So, therefore, the total is 4,34,000 divided by net sales is 5,60,000. So, this fraction multiplied by 100, our operating ratio is coming 77.5%. D point is computation of net operating profit ratio. Net operating profit ratio is calculated with the help of the following formula, that is net operating profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. So, we already discussed the formula of net operating profit. Net operating profit is equals to net profit minus non-operating expenses plus non-operating expenses. So, the amount of net profit was 1,12,000. We have added non-operating expenses, that is 18,000. We have deducted non-operating incomes, that is 4,000. Our denominator is net sales, that is 5,60,000. So, our fraction will be 1,26,000 divided by 5,60,000 multiplied by 100. So, net operating profit ratio is coming 22.5%. E point is administrative expense ratios. So, this comes under the category of specific expense ratio. Formula: specific expenses divided by net sales multiplied by 100. So, administrative expenses was 28,000, net sales 5,60,000. So, 28,000 divided by 5,60,000 into 100, administrative expenses coming 5%. Then comes selling expense ratio. Formula: selling expenses divided by net sales multiplied by 100. The amount of selling expenses was 70,000, net sales 5,60,000. So, 70,000 divided by 5,60,000, selling expense ratio is coming at 12.5%. That's all from my side. In the next module, I will be discussing overall profitability ratios. Thank you.